Greetings to you, dear friends of Sound Journey YouTube channel. Welcome to another episode of personal development content for music artists. Effective planning is critical for a music artist to navigate the complexities of the industry, set and achieve goals, and maintain a sustainable career. Clearly state your short-term and long-term music career goals. Whether it's releasing an album, going on tour, or building a fan base, having specific goals gives you direction to plan. Create a timeline for your goals. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks with deadlines. This will help you stay organized and focused on the practical steps. Identify and understand your target audience. Adjust your schedule to effectively reach and engage with your audience. Consider demographics, preferences, and behaviors. Having a clear financial plan ensures that you can allocate resources effectively and avoid overspending. Strategically plan your music release. Consider factors such as best timing, platforms, and promotional activities. Create a comprehensive release plan before and after each release. Create a social media strategy to engage with your audience. Schedule regular content updates, including announcements, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and engagement with your fans. If touring is part of your strategy, plan your tour carefully. Consider logistics, locations, travel arrangements, and promotional efforts. Make sure your tour fits your overall goals. Create a content calendar that outlines a publishing schedule, social media posts, blog posts, and other content. This helps maintain consistency and ensures that you are constantly engaging with your audience. Schedule regular assessments of your progress. Assess what is working well and where adjustments are needed. Adapt your program based on the evolving landscape of the music industry and your career path. Include health and well-being in your planning. Make sure you get rest, prioritize self-care, and maintain a healthy work-life balance to maintain a long and fulfilling career. Seek feedback from trusted peers or mentors. Regularly reflect on your journey, learn from experiences, and use feedback to refine your approach. Be flexible in your planning. The music industry is dynamic and unpredictable situations can occur. Make contingency plans and be prepared to adapt if necessary. Surround yourself with a supportive team. Whether you're a manager, promoter, or coworker, having a strong support system can help you run programs more effectively. Throughout your planning, stay true to your artistic vision and values. Authenticity is a key ingredient in building a lasting and meaningful music career. By incorporating these elements into your planning process, you can create a comprehensive and effective roadmap for your music career. Regularly review and update your plan as needed to keep up with your evolving goals and the dynamic nature of the music industry. Remember that the path of personal growth is a continuous melody and each note has the potential for transformation. Sound Journey encourages you to bring lessons learned into your creative endeavors, view challenges as opportunities, and foster a mindset of resilience. Your journey as a music artist is uniquely yours, and as you navigate the complexities of the industry, you may find strength in your authenticity and purpose. Until we meet again, keep creating, keep evolving, and keep looking for extraordinary things.